Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn first how to use the set phrase 太了 to express the idea of to or so. Second, you will learn how to use the word 也 to show also, to, or either.And third, you will learn how to use the word 觉得 to express your personal opinion like to think or to feel. And last, you will learn how to use the word 可是 which means but.
我不喜欢夏天，夏天太热了。
我也不喜欢夏天。
我喜欢冬天。
我爸爸也喜欢冬天，可是我觉得冬天太冷了。我姐姐喜欢秋天，我哥哥喜欢春天。Using 太了 to express to, so, or very in the sense of excessively. The sentence structure is fairly easy. 太 plus adjective plus 了. This is the second use of 了. Let's call it 了 too. 太了 is a set phrase, which means it's used together to express the sense of excessively. It's similar in saying too, so, or very. For example, 太热了 is too hot. 太冷了 is too cold. 今天太热了 literally today too hot. It's too hot today. 昨天太冷了 literally yesterday too cold. It was so cold yesterday. 我太饿了 I'm so hungry.他太累了 He's too tired. Using 也 to express also, to, sometimes it's either. The sentence structure is fairly easy. Subject plus 也 plus verb. For example, 我喜欢夏天，我姐姐也喜欢夏天。I like summer. My older sister also likes summer. 我喜欢狗，她也喜欢狗。I like dogs. She likes dogs too. More examples. 我不喜欢冬天，我爸爸也不喜欢冬天。I don't like winter, and my dad doesn't like winter either. 我是学生，他也是学生。I am a student, and he is also a student. 你家有3个人，我家也有3个人。Your family has 3 people. My family has 3 people too.他不想去，我也不想去。He doesn't want to go. I don't want to go either. Common mistakes here. Lots of students tend to put 也 to the end of sentence like they do in English, which is wrong. For example, 我喜欢夏天，我姐姐喜欢夏天也。That is wrong. You're supposed to say 我喜欢夏天，我姐姐也喜欢夏天。Another wrong example, 我不喜欢冬天，我爸爸不喜欢冬天也。You're supposed to say 我不喜欢冬天，我爸爸也不喜欢冬天。Using 可是 to express but. For example, 我喜欢冬天，可是冬天太冷了。I like winter, but winter is too cold. More examples. 我有姐姐，可是我没有哥哥。I have older sisters, but I don't have an older brother. 我有狗，可是我没有猫。I have dogs, but I don't have cats. 我喜欢他，可是他不喜欢我。I like him, but he doesn't like me. 我想去，可是我太忙了。I want to go, but I'm too busy. Using 觉得 to express to think, to feel. 觉得 can be used to express a feeling, sensation, or perception, like I feel hungry, I feel tired. It can also be used to express a personal opinion or judgment, like I think studying Chinese is hard. I think this food is tasty. At this stage, we are going to focus on the use of feeling and sensation. For example, 我觉得今天很热. I think today is hot. 我觉得冬天太冷了。I think winter is too cold. 我觉得很累。I feel really tired. 我觉得这个面包很好吃。I think this bread is very tasty. Now let's review. 春天 spring. 夏天 summer. 秋天 autumn. 冬天 winter. 热 hot. 冷 cold. 太了 It's a sad phrase. It means too or so. 太热了 It's too hot. 太冷了 It's too cold. 太累了 Too tired. 太忙了 Too busy. 也 also, too or either. 我喜欢夏天，我姐姐也喜欢夏天。I like summer. My older sister likes summer too. 我是学生，他也是学生。I am a student. He is also a student. 我喜欢狗，他也喜欢狗。I like dogs. She likes dogs too. 你家有3个人，我家也有3个人。Your family has 3 people. My family has 3 people too. 我不喜欢冬天，我爸爸也不喜欢冬天。I don't like winter. My dad doesn't like winter either. 他不想去，我也不想去。He doesn't want to go. I don't want to go either. 可是 but 爸爸喜欢冬天，可是我觉得冬天太冷了。Dad likes winter, but I think winter is too cold. 我有姐姐，可是我没有哥哥。I have older sisters, but I don't have older brothers. 我有狗，可是我没有猫。I have dogs, but I don't have cats. 我喜欢他，可是他不喜欢我。I like him, but he doesn't like me. 觉得 to think, to feel. 我觉得夏天太热了。I think summer is too hot. 我觉得冬天太冷了。I think winter is too cold. 我觉得很累。I feel really tired. 我觉得这个面包很好吃。I think this bread is very tasty. Now it's time for a cultural demonstration. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!